Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's going to be about how I do my eyebrows, as many of you ask about it. Today I'm gonna share with you how I created my eyebrows according to my face shape. Okay, let's just start. Okay, so here goes. If you have face like mine, I have a round face because every time I took picture of myself, right, and then the photo just shows that my face is round. Okay, so just no complaint about it. If you have a round face, what you want to do is to elongate your face. So your eyebrow should not be like this, but it somehow should have like an arch. Okay, so on the contrary, if you have a long face, you wouldn't want to elongate your face again. So what you do is you can have, you know, that kind of eyebrow, the straight Korean eyebrow. Yeah, go ahead. First things first is basically to brush your eyebrows upward. So that you can have a look, have a clear idea where is your real eyebrow line. Right now I'm gonna be threading my eyebrows, so if you don't want to, you know, do these steps, it's okay, like just skip it, but I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna clean the area. This is the first technique, which is to clean your eyebrows first. If you already have eyebrows like mine, meaning to say it's already been preset, like you already know your shape, then go ahead. But if you don't know, then you might want to use the second step. What I like to do sometimes is that I brush my hair up, and then afterwards take your eyebrow pencil, then afterwards you draw it first as you desire. Like how I do it is always from the back, making that one line. Go front, that, then marry the above line. So basically I make the frame first before I do anything. Straight lines like that, and then fill in a bit, just, you know, light strokes. Don't push it, just light strokes. Like that. Take the brush and just brush it up. Like, make sure that those lines are not visible. Now, you can just ignore the, the empty spaces first, because what you want is to clean up clean your eyebrows, right? So, now that we have the line already, so you see, like, these are the extra hairs, yeah? So just, you know, take it out. You see how I created my eyebrows? It's like I give an arch so that it opens up, it widens the space of my eyes. Look, it's different. So this one looks like more eccentric. It's not so much of an arch, but yeah, it's just nice and enough for my eyes. And then of course, like, if you want to go to the, you know, the basic, you do this, and after that you do this. So it's, yeah, it's the same there. So I'm doing it correctly. So now let's move on to this part. I will replicate this shape, and then this part I add the arch. And what you want to do is just to take off the extras. These ones, like the ones that we missed. So that's done. I hope you enjoyed this short video about how I maintain and, you know, do my eyebrows. I like threading, I like plucking out, so, but just a bit, guys. Don't pluck out all of your eyebrows because it took very long time to grow back. So yeah, that's number one rule. So if you have already very thin hair for your eyebrows, right, I would suggest, like, you don't have to do anything with it, just draw. Just learn how to draw it, okay? So this is probably not like the basic eyebrow shaping, but yeah, well, you get the idea. It's always like starts with this and that and that. okay? But although I didn't show it to you because I already have the shape. Let me know down below what else you would like to see on my YouTube channel, whether or not it's the tips for skincare or like, you know, jahit mata or whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video.